Welcome back to the channel. Another project. For the next part, I made a lot of parts off camera because looking me cutting parts, it's not that much useful for you. But before I weld them together, a very small project by the way, easy one. I made one for Dave. I thought I didn't need one, but I need one, but one heavy duty model. Ta-da! Yeah, that's obvious. What is that? That's a quick hitch, 3-point quick hitch for the back of the tractor. If you notice up to now, you never see me driving the tractor without an implement at the back. There's one very simple reason for that. I need ballast to steer that machine. That machine doesn't have any power steering, and it does have a huge loader at the front. I can tell you, on concrete without ballast, that's simply impossible to steer that. You're going to tear the drive shaft before you can turn those wheels. A simple quick hitch. The reason why, one more project coming up soon, I need that for the next project. And I want it to be built very strong because I have some stuff to pull that I need the whole capacity of the tractor to pull that stuff. So it will be built from 2x3, 1/4 inch thick material. So that's the bottom two links, 3 inches apart. So the bushings were cut to 3 inches in length, 1/2 inch thick plate, 2 inches wide, which fits all nicely on the table. That's the second flat surface. I'm going to assemble this on that. And I've managed to have those tabs to all be the same length at the front. You will see that when I assemble this one to this one. So that's one thing to consider when you assemble, to make sure that you get even length or spacing. Always easier to assemble stuff doing that. So I'm going to weld this tack weld, and I'm going to confirm with the quick hitch that it works. Stick around. Now I'm going to test that on the quick hitch attachment. I should be back. Quick update, I went into the hangar, checked if that fits on the quick hitch. Yeah, it was at the upper limit. So I did shrink down 2 inches on this post, so it fits nicely. And it is also about the same distance as the other implements I have, so I won't have to adjust the quick hitch. Then I also cut those pieces. Okay, I'm going to weld those wrap hook. Could be like so. One here. Could be also like here. My goal is that if I need to pull something, it's going to pull from. Oops. Could be good thing to weld them the other side. slight detail. If I want to pull, it's going to take the load from the lower lift arms, which are attached to the axle. This one is attached to the top of the differential. So I don't want to take load here that way. This way, it doesn't change anything. So if I'm going to pull or lift, it's going to take the load from the lower arm, and the top arm is going to just balance this. I've got this sleeve to be ready to receive a hitch, receiver, let's say so. It's going to be welded underneath this. The reason I'm not welding it now, when I'm going to fully weld this, it's going to bend like so. So that's why I'm going to tack weld those reinforcement diagonals, and after that I'm going to weld that so it should not bend anymore. So maybe 15-20 minutes to weld this all. It's going to be very hot. It's going to warp a little bit. No big deal on that kind of project. So I wanted to update you before I do it all. Let's weld. Quick update. All welded. 2 grab hook at the back. Hitch receiver. 2 gussets. I think I'll never be able to break this one. Now I need to paint it, and that will be it for this project. Thanks for joining me. See you on the next one.